education program of class 4th. So I think you all are happy and safe at your homes. So let's start our online session class. Our first chapter is computer memory and storage devices. In this chapter you will learn about binary digits, type of memory, primary memory and secondary memory. First is binary digits. So a computer works with only two digits, that is 0 and 1. And when we input our data into the computer, it is converted into 0 and 1 for the computer to understand it. And these digits 0 and 1 are known as binary digits. Next is types of memory. A computer memory is divided into two parts, primary memory and secondary memory. So primary memory is divided into two parts, RAM and ROM. And secondary memory, floppy disk, hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive and multimedia card. So first is primary memory. Primary memory is also known as internal memory or the main memory. And the data stored in primary memory gets erased when the computer is switched off. Like when we switched off our computer, all the data in the primary memory gets erased. Then RAM. The full form of RAM is random access memory. It is a volatile memory that stores the data temporarily only. The data is lost when a computer is switched off. So when we switched off our computer, all our data is lost. Next is ROM. Full form of ROM is read only memory. It stores the data permanently and hence known as non-volatile memory. The data does not get lost even when the computer is switched off. What are next other types of memories? PROM is a type of memory in which data can be written only once and cannot be erased. And EPROM is a type of memory in which data can be erased using the ultraviolet lights. Next is EPROM is a type of memory in which the data gets erased. In EPROM, data gets erased when we are using the electrical signals. Then only our data can be erased in the EPROM memory. Next is secondary memory. Secondary memory is also known as auxiliary memory. It has a large storage capacity and the data or programs are not lost even when the computer is turned off. And the secondary memory is divided into hard disk. It is the main storage medium for the computers. It can store a large amount of data. It is made up of collection of disks known as platters. And basically hard disk is stored in the CPU where all our data is stored.